In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to Asana for graphic design project 2025, step by step. By the end, you'll have a clear, repeatable setup for managing creative work in Asana without missing deadlines or feedback. Start by creating a new project from your Asana dashboard by selecting New Project. Choose how you want to begin, a blank project for full control, an imported spreadsheet if your tasks already live elsewhere, or a template. For creative teams, a template designed for design workflows can save time and provide helpful fields out of the box. Give your project a clear, action-oriented name like product launch design or website redesign so everyone instantly understands the purpose. Then confirm the right team is selected and set privacy to match your needs, whether that's open to your department or restricted to project members. Next, pick the views that make your work easiest to manage. Open, customize, or use the plus icon to add views. Board gives you a Kanban-style flow, great for moving tasks through stages like to-do, in progress, and review. Timeline offers a Gantt-style schedule where you can see dependencies and adjust dates visually. List is perfect for a clean, sortable backlog. Calendar shows your due dates at a glance and helps you spot crowded days. You can switch between these anytime, so pick the ones your team will actually use. Now structure the workflow. Create sections that mirror how design work moves from idea to delivery. Common phases include planning and briefing, concept and ideation, design and creation, client review and feedback, and final delivery. Inside each section, add tasks for each deliverable or action item. Think in terms of outcomes. Design logo concepts, create social media ad mockups, or proofread final images. Keep task names specific so owners know exactly what's expected. Open each task and add details. Assign an owner to make accountability clear and set a realistic due date. Use subtasks to break down complex work, like separating exploration, revisions, and exports. If something can't start until another task is finished, add a dependency to lock in the correct order and avoid accidental overlaps, which will also be reflected on timeline. Enhance your tracking with custom fields, add fields for priority, status, or client approval so you can filter and report meaningfully. Attach files directly to tasks, briefs, mockups, and final assets, and link a Google Drive folder in a text field to provide a clickable preview and keep versions organized. Finally, integrate the tools you already use. Connect Google Drive for assets, Slack for notifications, and Adobe Creative Cloud to keep design work in sync. Light automation can reduce manual updates, keeping your project accurate with less effort. That's your streamlined Asana setup for graphic design projects, organized, visual, and ready to scale.